Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, today I'm going to give some tips of English. Okay, so we have heard about English language. English is really important because it's an international language. It is used in every country. It may be China, it may be Japan, it may be Brazil, it may be Arabia. It is used everywhere. International language means that it is really helpful in certain things. But today in this video, I'm going to show you that how we can learn English by more advanced words and very fluently. Let's start. So, I'm giving you some tips. These tips will work on you. Some of these tips will work on you. So, let's start. First tip. The first tip is that you have to read books. Books. Really books. Very much books. If you haven't read books, you cannot learn more English. Books helps you in your fluent English. If you have heard about Diary of a Wimpy books, Harry Potter books, or any another books like The Famous Five, or any simple books. If your child is a beginner, or if you are a beginner, like read 75 till 80 pages. If you are an advanced speaker and you need a book to read 200 to like a 3 or 400 pages. I've already read 100 books with 700 pages, so I must say you all must read books. Second point, if you ever alone in home, you don't have any books and your parents can't buy new books, you could do is bring any of your siblings, or not only sibling, any parents or both of your parents, and ask them to speak in English, converse in English, because the more screen you watch, the more you will lose your fluent of English, and the advanced word you will start to forget. So this is important that you communicate in English with your parents, your siblings, or your friends. Now, and the third thing, learn to English music. If you have heard of these music like Believer or different kind of, I don't know, I have heard a lot. But if you have heard any of these songs, you must learn some words, new words. There are hidden new words under there. Like in Believer, I don't know, first things first time, say all the words inside my head. It is kind of rhyming. It will help your fluence of English. It will help your advanced words. I am not really concerned if there are any words of English in the music, but I'm sure that your voice, your English would be really fluent. If these tips doesn't work on you, the fourth tip is that you could help others. Like you could learn some English vocabulary every day, as I do. I take my dictionary and I read, not read, but I take 2 to 3 words each day. I learn the meaning. I take a test about what I have learned, and after that, it is stored in my brain. I take another 3 words. Like this, you will get really good memories of advanced words of English. These are all the tips that I could tell you in one day. And of course, I am giving you 3 words. Please tell me in the comments what are their meaning. First is infrastructure, second is exhausted, and third is fatigued. Okay friends, I will end it over here. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you.